What's up, guys? 2018 NT Collegiate Random number 2, live, timestamp 531. Already have our teams in and the names in. We randomize both, throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. Do the teams first, 4 or more. It is a 5 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Colts on top, Panthers on the bottom. ZZLVGP is the code for the teams. Now let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. 5 on both. That makes sense, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final, number 5. Phil on top. Phil on the bottom. QSNXIY is your code for the names. And there you go. That is, what the shit, who you have. And we are done. 5, 3, 2. Thanks, guys. Good luck.